Hello friends and my dear students, I am Anmol Rajput from class 9 and today I am giving the introduction about Swami Vivekanand and giving the speech on Swami Vivekanand. Students, Swami Vivekanand born on 1863 by Mata Bhuvneswari Devi. Mata Bhuvneswari Devi giving the birth of the name of this son is Narendra. The name of the birth is Narendra of Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand is very talentful and very intelligent students and they have very intelligent son of Mata Bhuvneswari Devi. But Mata Bhuvneswari Devi got angry of their Swami Vivekanand because they have beaten the small children and doing the curlings in the smalls. These are some habits of Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanands are doing the very well and doing the very good studies and on 1879 they have crossed and they have cleared their entrance test in Calcutta's metropolitan schools with very good levels of the study levels and they have coming the first in these schools. They have the first student who's come the first. Swami Vivekanand is very sweet and they have the glance of the Swami Vivekanand is very sweet. They have and Swami Vivekanand was very best singer. He was very best horse rider. He was very fast boxer and he was very best into the shooter. And they have the lover of Stuart. He was the Stuart lover and the examples of the students of by the Mahatma Swami Vivekanand, because Swami Vivekanand is very intelligent and they have the one examples to taking and who says that the Swami Vivekanand is very great shooters and he was very best shooters because one day and once there was and some children they have doing the practice of the shootings and they have children says that and giving the challenge from the Swami Vivekanand and they says that you are shoot them with one chances and Swami Vivekanand taking their chances and they have taken their opportunities and the first ways and they have shoot them with and there are clappings from the students because very fastly because Swami Vivekanand is very best shooters and after sometimes they are the great tabla vadak and he was the great boxer and he was the great horse rider because there's after that time to time changement the Swami Vivekananda are very intelligent and they have some questions of like that what is life and after the before the life we are where and after the life ending we are where going, so like these questions but the question of these questions they have students or many people they have not giving any type of answers, so Swami Vivekananda is so sad, very sad and they have the problems of these questions. He was going into the Belur Math where the Ramakrishna Paramhans, the great teachers, they have taking into the and they says that how you know the God, what is God? Yes, Swami Vivekananda is very simple but they have very intelligent and Ramakrishna Paramhans is also very simple people. They have not now that I am very great and I am gentleman and the people it says that they have not any type of gentleman and they now about what teacher but he was very intelligent and they says that I am now the God, what is God and where life ending where it goes, so they have giving the some lectures of the Swami Vivekananda is making the students of the Ramakrishna Paramhans and he was making their students of their Swami Vivekananda and after some time they have going and they have coming to the speeches from the Americas, they have the lectures giving and any type of pupils they have giving the lectures, so they have test and Swami Vivekananda says that what I am cross these test and their teacher says that yes you are cross them because they have the one examples and you are going with their mothers like my teachers mothers say and mothers is taking the Swami Vivekananda says that giving me the chaku or like the knife and they have taken the graph types and they have says that you are crossed that these all the speeches Swami Vivekananda says on the America, my brothers and sisters of America. Thank you.